Well, my name's Dale Thomas. I'm founder of an organization, a company called ActionableOps. I'm going to take a little bit of time talking to you a little bit about our business, my business, and about a book that I've written on AI. I'll tell you, I wasn't nervous, but then I listened to all these people talk. I got really nervous, and especially like Zach. These guys are really, really smart people. And at Microsoft, when I was there for 10 years, I learned about the imposter syndrome. Here it comes. So, ActionableOps, I've been in technology about 25 years, in all kinds of operational roles. We started ActionableOps last year after I left a startup out of Boston. I've spent time, like I said, at Microsoft. I've spent time at a bunch of different startups in New York City. So I left to start an operations consulting business, but the more I started doing operations and the more I was exploring with my own AI, the more I realized that that's the way we wanted to pivot. So we pivoted the business from operations to more AI implementation, training, focusing on ethical AI and ethical AI implementation. I don't think we're explorers. I think maybe a few of these folks are, I don't think we're experts, but like a few of these folks are experts. I think we're more explorers. We're fascinated by this topic. We're explorers, are the trailblazers leading the change and innovation while fueled by curiosity. So very few people, I think, are experts in this field. And so I'm certainly not. I have a deep passion for what we're doing. We partner with a couple companies. One's Textcortex. We're an implementation partner with them. Is anybody familiar with Textcortex? A couple of folks are. They're kind of like ChatGPT on steroids. They're a complete co-pilot for businesses. They have their own knowledge bases, so you can do your chatbots that are specific to your data. They're based in Germany, so when Zach was talking about some of the ethics and the security, because they're based in Germany, that they not only have the GDPR requirements, they also have requirements for the German government that are a lot more strict, especially when it comes around transparency and things of that nature. We're also implementation partners, an agency partner with MindStudio, which is a AI development platform, so we can create custom solutions when needed, but I tend to want to refer business out to some people that know what they're doing a lot more than we do in this area. So we spend a lot of our time working with companies on HR organizations, small businesses, on how they can really implement AI. And there was a certification that I was going for where we needed to create a project. So thinking about who my customers were a lot of the times, and the people I talked to, they were small business owners that didn't know how to use AI at all. So we created what was called a free AI advisor, where businesses could come to our website. It'll ask them a few questions about their business, what industry they're in, what areas they would like to leverage AI in, so marketing or HR or whatever they want to do, and then some of the reasons why they haven't been able to implement AI yet. What are the challenges? Maybe they just don't know enough about it. So they feed all this information in. It goes to a language model that delivers a custom report to the customer or to the person that lets them know some of the different types of AIs that they can use for their businesses. So it's delivered again via email. It's a really beautiful email. It's at actionableops.com/advisor, which is the tool. And this tool kind of led to the next thing. As I was building out this tool, I was in Turks and Caicos on vacation, and I started thinking, asking my chatbot, if you were to write a book on AI, what would it look like? What would that framework look like? So we started down this journey of the ultimate AI guide for small business success. So yes, there was a couple chapters that AI did help me write. Let's get the elephant out of the room. It did. AI also helped me proofread the book. Zach Gardner also helped me proofread the book. So we use AI tools. So I'm very upfront with how we leveraged AI for the book. It was 80% written by myself, 20% by AI when I didn't really understand something or I needed to explain it or dumb it down in my case. So we did use AI in that way. It focuses on how small businesses can leverage AI around, and also we spent time with ethical, legal, and some of the responsible AI adoption. One of the things that made me most excited is a person who was bought the book, and she DM'd me and saying that reading this really made is really making my mind explode with possibilities, which is exactly what I want it to do. I want to be able to give business owners an opportunity to see how they can use AI. This quote led into another conversation, which led into another conversation with somebody that she knows in New York City, who's with a major music publisher, that will be going to New York City on Friday to talk to them about how we might be able to help their consulting business. They want to break away from the music company and start their own consulting business. So we're going to meet with them and see how we might be able to help them out. This is just more information about the book. We take a look at demystifying AI, exploring some of how AI is going to impact jobs. We're upfront on what jobs we think AI is going to impact the most, and where there's going to be a lot of opportunities. And then it introduces some of the different models to businesses so they can kind of understand it's not just ChatGPT or the models that power ChatGPT. So we're doing a special thing. I have a marketing company that's working on our book and helping market the book, and we talked about the AI Club, and so we decided to do a promotion right around, well, for today, and specifically for the AI Club. So for the next 24 hours, we're doing the Kindle version for 99 cents. So it's at, if you want to get directly to the book on Amazon, it's at actionableops.com/go/AI Club. So if everybody wants to buy the book now for 99 cents, here's your opportunity. Would love for you guys to do it. Again, my name is Dale Thomas. If you want to connect, you can scan our QR code. And there's our information. If you would like to talk, I'll be in back afterwards if you have any questions. Thank you.